How to change age on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change our age on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your age on Twitter, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Twitter application here. Once you launch the Twitter app, you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen and go to the option known as profile. After you go to the option called profile, you have to tap the option called edit profile, and when you tap on edit profile, scroll down, you'll find an option called date of birth. Make sure to tap on it, and right here you can see your current date of birth. Tap on it and then tap the edit button here. Now you simply want to change your birth here to something depending upon the age that you would like it to be. So since today is 2023, by the time I'm uploading this video, if I select 2002, that would make me 21 years of age. And now you can just go ahead and then change your date of birth in order to change your age. This way you can change your age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.